This time, the internet isn't laughing, because this isn't content anymore. This might be the moment it all catches up. Jack Doherty built his career on chaos, pranks, public stunts, pushing limits, all for views. Crashes? Content. Humiliation? Content. But here's the problem. Trouble with the law doesn't care about your subscribers. At 3 a.m., he was standing in the middle of traffic, not filming, not joking. A risky bet. Police told him to move. He didn't. Instead, he stood his ground, defying them. Yeah, that's not just internet drama. Reports say it was serious. And then, within 24 hours, he turned his mugshot into merch. Same face, same smirk, like nothing happened. Then came the wedding, live-streamed, awkward, uncomfortable, a prenup joked about on camera. Her father, emotional. And Jack, just one line, "Thank God they're gone." That wasn't content anymore. That felt real. But here's the pattern most people miss. Some say this isn't random chaos, it's control. Reports suggest he managed situations in ways others wouldn't expect. And now, reality is catching up. Legal trouble quietly escalated. Court dates came. He didn't show up. His lawyer appeared instead. Excuse? Celebrity status. But the truth is, the courtroom doesn't care about followers. Cases don't just disappear. And while all this is happening, he's still posting like nothing changed. So now the question isn't about content anymore. Is Jack Doherty a villain? Or just the internet's favorite warning sign? Because when the cameras turn off and the courtroom goes quiet, that's when this actually begins. Drop your take.